People ask me, why make vinegar? That sounds crazy.
I'll tell you why. Because the vinegars that I made, you can't buy in any store. Strawberry banana vinegar, blueberry vinegar, mango vinegar, pineapple vinegar. Let me walk you through how to make your own homemade vinegar in any flavor that you can keep up to 5 years.
It's pretty simple. You're basically just chopping up fruit, adding some water to it, and leaving it to ferment in a jar. In about 2 months, you've got vinegar. But there's a little more to it than that. You need one quart mason jar for every flavor of vinegar you decide to make. And you're going to put a fruit combination in each jar. Once your fruit and water's in the jar, as long as the water is within about a half an inch at the top, put a double coffee filter over the top and secure it with a rubber band. I like to double mine up just to make sure they are secure. After 24 hours has passed, I stir 1/3 of a cup of sugar into each quart mason jar. This speeds the process up of making vinegar from 2 months down to 2 weeks. It's also a 2-step process. This first part of the process, the sugar actually turns this mixture into alcohol in about 1 week. Every morning I take off the coffee filter and I continue to stir my vinegars each and every day. This is to prevent mold growth, but it's also to add lots of oxygen to the mix, which accelerates the vinegar fermentation process. I do this every single day, the entire time. That first week every day when you stir, you can actually see the fermentation bubbles and you can witness the sugar being broken down into alcohol. At the 1 week point, I remove about 1 inch of the solid fruit from the top of each jar and add 1/4 cup of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar. This is a simple way to jumpstart the second part of the process. Again, I don't want to take 2 months to make my vinegar. And now that I've made alcohol, I want to turn that into vinegar. That raw, unfiltered vinegar will eat the alcohol and turn this mixture into vinegar in 1 week. At the 2 week point, I had vinegar in all 5 jars. I let them age just 1 more week, and all 5 jars were literally perfect, ready to have the solids drained off and ready to be bottled. All 5 flavors. Pretty easy to just strain the solids out with a slotted spoon, dump the rest through a strainer, and put it in a sanitized bottle with an airtight lid. What have we learned in our little vinegar experiment? We started with 5 mason jars 23 days ago. So now I have vinegar that I can use in cooking. We have 5 different flavors. We have strawberry banana, we have blueberry, we have apple cider vinegar, pineapple, and mango. Vinegar will keep up to 5 years and they'll continue to ferment and smooth, over time. They'll only become better with age, and keep this up to 5 years. What exactly are you going to do with weird flavored vinegar? I intend to try to take the blueberry and the pineapple and the mango and emulsify them with olive oil and make homemade salad dressings. I also want to make a couple different stir fries and incorporate the vinegar in the sauce and see how that tastes. Some of these I intend to just drink over ice. The strawberry banana over ice without any sweetener, for me, it tastes amazing. Amazing flavors. You could add sugar if you'd like. The blueberry over ice, same thing. Tastes absolutely amazing. I think I'm going to make some bigger batches of different flavors in the future. Leave me a note down in the comments and let me know what flavors you would like to see me make or that you might try making. Until next time, this is Big Blue Glasses. I'm glad you stopped by.